Okay, now we're doing 3 videos to break it up. 3 videos on the same day, but I'll put them out at 3 different days. Whoa, that's... Okay. The lighting in here sucks. Okay. Pennywise, the Dancing Clown box. Funko box. Funko Pop box. I guess that's what you call it. Dun, dun, dun. We already know what's in it. That's silly. They should have done it like the horror box, I think. Don't you think?
Yeah.
So you didn't know what was in it. Like...
So, there's your shirt.
I'll open it in this. So now I can't open him?
I wouldn't.
I wouldn't either. Ryder's gonna love that. He's gonna freak out. He loves it when it's exclusives, and he's so cool. He's really cool.
Oh,
It's not even like, yeah, he's really cool. Here's the shirt.
that was worth going out for.
Yeah.
Okay.
I would have been really upset if I didn't get him. Not gonna lie.
Was it worth $35 for him?
Well, yeah, because you can't get him unless you buy him in that box, so... Unless it comes out later, and then I'll be, like, really upset. And then you got a shirt. Not really, though, because it won't fit you.
What do you mean it won't fit?
That's a really nice shirt.
Fit like a glove.
Exactly. What is going on? It's so... There we go. It won't focus. Huh. Will that fit Ryder? Let's put it on him. Make him wear it. Let's shrink it. Can I shrink it?
Probably. It feels like it. That's really nice. Man.
That's terrifying. So Ryder would love it. Actually, he hates clowns now.
Now if they give him more, I'm going to want a big shirt.
And then we could sell just
The pop.
the pop.
So there we go.
All right.
That's our big.
Bye. So here is the Pennywise, just the Pennywise. I wanted to show you, if I can, up close of what he looks like. It is so well done. Okay, this is really annoying me. My camera, of course, is dead. There we go. So it's kind of terrifying, but that's some really nice detail. And of course, I have the other ones, and I have all of these ones. And then some, because I have the chase of Georgie, and then I have the chase of Pennywise. So, yeah. And I do not have... Oh, wait, I do have the chase of Beverly. I do have the chase of Beverly. So I do have them all. I do have them all. Well, let's go make sure I have them all. Okay, so those are the ones I have. Focus! So, these ones... Oh yes, I do have the Beverly chase, then Georgie chase. This is actually why I started collecting them, because I just wanted the Stephen King ones, and then now look what has happened. Like, it has gotten out of hand. Alright, thank you, babes. I don't know where to put it. I don't got any more room. I guess I can open the vinyls. I'll probably open the vinyl.
Vinyl?
Yeah. So I don't really care about the vinyl ones, and then I'll have the Pennywise and Giorgio. But for now...
Right there.
No, can't. Put it with the Wizard of Oz ones.